on my door. I have some hard water stains up here and just some regular buildup. What I'm gonna do is take a dishwasher tab, dunk it in a little bit of water to activate it, and then scrub all those spots on the door. This is what the door is looking like after just a couple seconds of scrubbing. I just took a wet washcloth and wiped it down, and then I would go back in and follow up on these spots that are still kind of hard, but that's how you wash your window door with a dishwasher tab for your washer.
I bet you guys have seen the viral hack going around where you use a dishwasher tab in hot water, wrap it in a dish towel, and use it to refresh your couches. But did you know that you can use this viral hack on a lot more than just your couch? It does work really well to refresh your couch, and because it worked so well, I thought, what else around my house could I use this little hack for? So once I got done using my couch, I went searching and found some other things that it worked just as well, refreshing and leaving a really nice clean smell behind. One of those was my mattress. It worked really well just for a quick refresh. That way I didn't have to go ahead and break out my rug doctor and do a really good deep clean. It works really well for those in-between times. I also went ahead and used it on my area rugs. This one was probably my favorite. It really refreshed and left my space feeling really clean. And you can see here in my water all the yucky, gunky stuff, little dirt particles and things that it actually pulled up. So I really like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next.
How to clean. Today I'm going to show you guys a handful of different unconventional ways to clean using just a dishwasher tab. The first one here, cleaning your glass oven door. I have a whole video on this. If you want to see it, I will link it down below. All we're going to do is just dunk our dishwasher tab in the water here to kind of activate it. Start scrubbing away. And you can kind of see what it's pulling off of the door here. But this works really well because it's just a little bit abrasive. It kind of helps get all of the splatter and everything off. Dishwasher tabs naturally have a degreaser element in them to obviously get that kind of greasy stuff off of your dishes in the dishwashing process. So it works really well for any type of degreaser that you would really need them for. And then I'm just periodically dumping it back into my little cup of water there as needed. I'm going to take just a regular dishwash towel and just wipe off the residue, and just like that, your oven glass door is clean. The second one here is actually you can throw about 4 of these at a time into your washer, and you can use it to deep clean your washer. Like I said, it has degreasing. It's obviously going to remove any stains, odors, anything like that, which is good for your washing machine. You can also take these little dishwasher tabs. They're really good for removing the soap scum that gets built up here on the side of your washer doors. And you do the same thing kind of on the oven doors. You sit there and kind of scrub it away, grab a towel, rinse it off, and it'll be all good to go. When it comes to washing them in your washer to clean your washer, throw 4 of them in at a time. Set your washer on the hottest setting and the longest setting, and go ahead and start it like a normal load of laundry and your washer. I've got this old spray bottle here that I just filled with a little bit of water, and I've got my dishwasher tab in the bottom of this, and it's going to dissolve into the water, and the whole thing is a whole degreaser. It's soap. It works well if you throw it in with water in an old squirt bottle. You can use it as a degreaser, and this works great to clean off your stovetop. We've got some hard stains here from dinner last night, and it took it right out. You can use this exact same mixture here to clean off the inside of your microwave, inside your oven, your fridge, whatever it is. Just go ahead and spray it down. And those are just some of the ways you can use a dishwasher tab to clean your entire house, which is super cool. It's so cost efficient and pretty nifty when you can find new ways to use products that they're not really intended to be used for, you know what I mean? So Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some of the videos I'll leave linked down below for you, and I'll see you guys in my next one.